Boom! Look guys, right here, we got the flat bench right here from Flybird. This one is the version A, the bench, handling up to 600 pound weight. This thing is simple, easy to install. This is the FB22PBD01 flat bench from Flybird, handling up to 600 pound capacity. Flybird bench. The user manual through the legs of the bench. We got the Flybird bench right here. Nice solid bench. I like the design. Oh, we got the leg right here. One leg. Nice solid construction. And you got 3 holes for the bolts to go in. Sweet. That's leg number 1. Boom. Leg number 2. 2 legs. We got some hardware right here. Some screws and some pins. Boom. We got the leg right here. Nice. Expands. Boom. Expand. Boom. I like the angle. You see right here? It flares out. The angle provides more stability. The instruction manual right here. This is one of the legs. You put this and you line up all 3 screw holes. Line up this one with the inside. You put this in like this. Then you line up and then you're gonna put the screws and washer in and tighten it up. Very easy installation. Grab one of these washers, put the washer through the bolt, and then tighten it up like this. Tighten up that piece right there. Use this Allen wrench right here and tighten it up. Bolt number 2, put the bolt and washer. So it's right down here. One more on this side. Washer and bolts over here. Using the Allen wrench, we will tighten it up. Tighten it up. All these 3 bolts right here. Make sure they're all tight. Bolt right there, and then you got bolt right there. So 3 bolts on this leg, 3 bolts on this one as well. So you line it up, you slide it in, and then you got all 3 holes to put the bolts through. One right here, tighten it in, tighten it up just a little bit more. Let's tighten this one here. There we go. The last one is in. So that's pretty tight. So now we got the legs are attached and there's our frame of the bench. See how it angles out? It gives us more support. This bench is going to be able to handle 600 pounds of weight. On the leg right here, you grab one of these pins and slide it through right here. Once you slide the pin through, it's going to lock in and it will keep the leg stable. So the pin goes to the other side like that. You use one of the knobs on each side, twist this in here, and that's going to lock our bench into position. There's this knob right here. I'm going to turn that knob and lock it in. So the knob is in and the pin is in. We repeat that on the other side. So here's the other side. Open it out. We put the pin and knob in place. Grab the pin, slide it through. Boom. Tighten up the knob up here. Tighten it in place. This is a solid frame. The legs are angled out. That gives it extra stability. We're gonna line up the bench right here. Flybird bench. With the longer bolts right here, the longer bolts are for the bench itself. Now we can put the bench onto the actual leg right here. This thing just lines up. Washer and the bolt, put it through right here, tighten it to the bench. You're gonna attach this to the bench like that, screw this in a little bit more, put this through here, line up with the hole. Use your Allen wrench to screw the bolt into the bench. Keep the legs up like this. There are 3 holes for the bench to attach to the legs. Drop all the bolts into the holes. Let's start this thread right here. We are lining it up. Start to tighten them up. Screw it in the bench. Tighten it up. Now the bench is all installed. You have the 3 bolts right here, 1, 2, and 3. That puts the legs into the bench. That's your Flybird bench right here. This is 2.5-inch thick padding. Solid padding right there. This thing can handle 600 pounds. The legs angle out for more stability. This thing is rock solid. And when you want to fold it up, it's easy to fold it up. But I like to work out with this. You can do your chest workout. Boom. Work those dips right here. Work those triceps right there. You can do your pulls right here. Your muscle workouts. Anything you want. It is a solid bench. This is a Flybird version A bench. This one handles 600 pounds. They do have a version B that handles 1,000 pounds. This one is perfect for 600 pounds. It is rated for 600 pounds, guys. Flybird flat bench right here. Oh yeah.